Personality test. Which play button do you want to press the most? Do not think too much, follow your heart.
Are you ready?
If you chose the play button A, you are an easy person to read. You don't like playing games, and you like being rather straightforward. You are optimistic but also very stoic and pragmatic in your approach towards the challenges of life. You also like connecting to a higher power and may find comfort in religion or spiritual practices. If you chose the play button B, you're a bit prone to showing off your massive success, but you're very generous at the same time. In love, you're very extreme. There's a clear difference between who you love and who you don't. You don't share your darkest thoughts with the world, and you've learned to deal with situations and your feelings on your own. If you chose the play button C, you are a minimalist, so money and power are dispensable for you. You like to be alone to get all your thoughts together and create another masterpiece that will amaze the world. People around you consider you to be extremely honest, and they feel very comfortable around you.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe us